Yo, so check it out. So this is what I'm about to do. I'm about to get on this road, about to head up the Beasley Knob OHV Trail up in Georgia. Never been there before, but it got a 7 to 9 rating on the G Badge of Honor, so I'm gonna go up there and see what it's all about. Now, GPS'd it already, and a lot of the roads are through the mountains, a lot of back roads. Should be a lot of beautiful scenery. So I'm gonna take the scenic route, get in a little bit of the area, enjoy the ride, and go check out this Beasley Knob. And oh yeah, before y'all go, click like and subscribe to my channel. I like having fun in the Jeep, and I like bringing y'all these videos. See y'all on the trail. Stopped at a little gas station here and saw these beauties and had to let you. All right, so this is what we're doing. Sign Beasley Knob OHV Trails. Make this right turn. See where we go. A little bit of that Georgia red mud coming up. Walk through. Take different turns and take different trails. Nelson's Gap, and there's a couple other names. Get to a little bit of rocks. Found a little buddy. Hey, what's happening, friend? Well, he don't want to talk today, so I'm gonna put him on down, let him go. Go on, little buddy. All right, my friend. Catch you later. Got more trails to ride. Here's where you can split. You can see this one is 93 Charlie, and you see what the terrain looks like for that one. And then you got over here, you got 93 Delta. See how that one goes. And then you got 93G. So we'll see how that one goes. We'll hit a couple of these trails and see what happens. All right, y'all, have fun. So I did pick up a little body damage. As you can see right there, it's a little dent right there with a scratch. You know, it's all in having fun though. This is what it's all about.
I could never get the deal. You see them springs? See them green springs? That's Dobinson's.
Ah, okay.
Right here. Dobinson's. Look, I got 11.5 inches of travel in the back, man.
Running Fox shocks.
Yeah. See, Fox didn't make nothing for the front. So, but this came as a kit. It was a kit.
So the kit came with the Dobson. The Fox came with the Dobson.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm sure your club member went to MFC off road, but if not, that's where he needs to go. He sells Let me show you. MFC off-road is just for building these things. I'm gonna put me a winch bumper on the front. You can put a winch on these things.
Now, as far as like accessories, like for, because I see, as far as like accessories, is it just for the Cherokees or
Well,
for the
MFC
Renegades,
no,
compasses?
MFC off-road is just for this rig.
Okay.
Cherokees.
Huh.
If I can get a signal out here. That's what I told my wife. If I ain't back, it's so dark. I can't call her. Yeah. Yeah, that's what the engine is for. Here we go.
Yeah, let him take a look at this.
Yeah. Yeah, see, you got the MFC off-road. You will see, not only does it not have a sway bar connectors, I took the sway bar off the rig. It's in here. That's an air compressor. That's all my straps. And I got various straps, bungee cords. This is my got my first aid kit right here, air armor. This is an air compressor. It worked. It worked good. Yeah. Mounted this guy right here. Got my 32-inch tire in here. I'm good.
I'm impressed.
I'm good, man.
I'm impressed, man.
Yeah. See me
If I can get my doors to do that right there. My man Dwayne and this nice Cherokee's gonna go out here and do something.
Trailhawk.
Trailhawk.
Yeah.
Got a kit on it, got a suspension on it, got everything in it to do what he needs to do.
Lockers.
He's gonna go out and get busy.
Yeah.
Maybe he can shoot me a link, shoot me some pictures of what he done. Hopefully he gets stuck. We can get some video of somebody pulling him out.
I was pulling somebody else out yesterday. I should have got a video of that.
Right?
Yeah.
See?
Yeah.
Pulling him out in this? Oh yeah, that's what you need a video of. You gotta prove that.
Yeah.
All right, brother.
All right.
Take it easy, man.
Man, have a safe trip home.
All right, brother. All right, I'm gonna give you a little rundown, quick rundown on what I think about Beasley Knob. My main goal coming out here was to scope it out. It was maybe a future trip for the Jeep Club. I wanted to do a little bit of the trails, check out some of the technicalities because it earned a 7 and 9 on the Jeep Badge of Honor. Once you come in, you go through the gate, you get down there, you put your $5 in the envelope, and once you get in there, you go down the main road, get down in the split off point, you can take 93 Golf, 93 Charlie, 93 Delta. From then, those are different access routes to like Bridge Gap, Jones Knob, and the other trails down there. Once you do those trails, there's some deep ruts. It's muddy, which makes it more technical. Long wheelbases, you will drag a little bit. Just gotta know how to navigate it. A few tips though, just like any other trail, air down, disconnect. Now, when you come out here, don't use the map from the Forestry Service website. I'm telling you this because it's all one color. So therefore, you don't know the different difficulty between the different trails. But once you get down there, there's a trail map on the board. Take a picture of that one because it's color coded for the trails. The reason I'm telling you this is because when I got back there, I just took a trail first. So that's how I ended up with damage to my Jeep. But it's all good though. This is my toy. Why buy a toy if you ain't gonna play with it, right? That's what it's all about. Come out here, bring your Jeep, have some fun, get your badge and call it a day.